Good morning, I'm Jamie Hodgson. Kurt and I would like to welcome you to Milron. We're going to give you a quick tour of what it means to come to Milron every day, what our quality practices are, and what makes a great body for you, our customers. So come on in, welcome to Milron, here we go. So I want to welcome you guys to our design lab. This is where a group of young professional designers work. We're happy to work with a great team. You know, obviously not everyone's working in the office today because we do have the COVID protocols going on. But we know that to have a successful product for our customer, the end user, that starts with great design. And without great design, we really can't provide anything worthy. It would be my way of saying it. So we're really proud of our team, put a lot of effort into getting the design right. And the right design leads to the right processes of manufacturing that are time efficient. It leads to the right processes of welding, which gives us high quality. And it leads right through all the way to final assembly and delivery to the customer. So it's very important to our processes here at Milron. So one process I really like to talk about is our welding processes. So it starts with the great design, but right after that, we put it through the laser brake and the punch operation. We'll go to that in a minute. We work really hard on our welding processes. And what that means to you is that our bodies, when they're done welding, go straight to powder coat. There's no more body filler. Every one of our bodies is sanded by hand, welded by hand, and they're basically perfect when they leave here. So let's go through and take a little look. So we spend a lot of time sanding and a lot of time detailing, getting all the corners right, all the details, especially in places like this. Have a lot of welds, a lot of joints coming together here. Everything has to be very flat. We only got one chance to powder coat it, and it's got to be straight. One other thing we spend a lot of time working on the welding process is the right amount of heat. We've learned to do a very cold weld, very different process, and that allows us to control the warpage, and again, giving us that really good quality. So after the design department is finished, all the products come into our blanking and bending area. So the heartbeat of our shop is right here. We have the big 6 kilowatt Mitsubishi laser right behind me, and on the other side here you have the Mata 3 kilowatt fiber laser with a CNC punch. Both are highly automated machines with automatic sheet loading and unloading. Those are the items that really set the tone for our company. You can't build quality products without quality machinery backing what you say. And then after that process, after the blanking is done, whether it's done by punching or lasering, it comes to our press brakes. We have the 14-foot AccuPress here with sheet followers. Again, putting out highly precision parts for us. And as you come around the other side, we have 3 more Mata brakes on this side. And you can see over here, we have the Mata 10-foot brake with the automatic tool changers. You have 2 smaller 60-13s, one on that side and one on this side. So together with our design capabilities and our proper punching and braking and bending department, that sets the tone for the next stage, which is welding. Since the last 2.5 years, we've invested heavily in the powder coating department. We have our own powder coating line. We partner with Tiger Dry Lac. And what that means is we've got a world-class supplier helping us with our powder coat operation. We do it to their specifications, which allows us to give the longer warranty of 5 years than a lot of our competitors on paint finishes. So we do it exactly to their standard. We use a reverse osmosis water system. It's very high quality. And you can see behind me as parts are coming in, they come in, they go through our first wash down area. We do a 3-stage chemical wash. Prior to that, we've sanded everything. It dries off in our dry off oven. It gets painted, it goes into our final oven, it comes out the other end. And again, it gives us that final finish that customers are looking for, that high quality powder coat finish that is so durable versus a painted body. And it's very important to us and our customers. One item that we're very, very proud of is our Mata robotic brake system with the automatic tool changer. This has really changed the game for us in terms of high quality precision. We run the most complicated parts on the robot, and we also run all our drawers just to have our product perfectly consistent. So every Milron toolbox, every drawer that we put in a service body or standalone toolbox is made here on this robot, every single one. And that means for us, everything is perfectly square and precision, and it's really helped advance our customers' perceptions of our product. And when you just feel the quality, everything is beautiful. So it's an awesome thing to do, and it's obviously very efficient. We have a lot of fun with it. As you can see at the other end here, the toolboxes come out, or the drawers come out on the conveyor. We have our little small toolbox assembly station here. We have one person in charge of all the drawers. And you look, we just do a just-in-time production here because the robot is efficient. We build the drawers on demand. We build them every day, multiple times a day. It's a great process. So a very important process for us also is wiring. You can't have a high-quality body without a good wiring harness. And when you're up in northern Alberta in the oil fields of Fort McMurray, you can't have wiring issues let you down. So we've learned over the years to have a very good, robust harness. And this is, even though it's a small department, highly productive, high-quality parts come out of here every day. You can see we keep it highly organized. We process all our wire through our SAM1 machine. That ensures we have the best connection, and that is OEM standard around the world is Telsonic ultrasonic solder. So this is our final paint prep area, and then we do some rain testing and a quality inspection this area. There's some other customer upgrades, but it's Bassett Petroleum, wasn't sure. Great new customer of ours, beautiful body. They just did a wrap on it. They're very proud of it. And we're doing a couple additions they wanted on it. It's a great way to look at our final product right here. Take a walk around. The full wrap looks really cool. Got the Arctic Fox on the outside. Pretty cool graphic. They really wanted to stand out. And they chose to do something different than their traditional company colors. They just wanted something really cool. We're in the north, so the Arctic Fox was their choice. Pretty cool. All right, well, I wanted to thank you for coming for the Milron tour with me. I know it was quick, but really what we want to talk about is our quality. And a lot of people say, why would I buy a body from you guys or anyone else? Why are you better than anyone else? And we just like to say we're always learning. We're never going to say we're the very best. We do our best to please our customers. But I can tell you that through the years of building on our quality processes, our customers are very happy, and they've chosen us because they say we're the best. So our job is to look after the customer. But again, if you look behind me, you know, black service body, you know, I come from the car business. If you want to talk about something that's going to show a flaw, if you have poor bodywork or poor weld quality or something, this is a black service body. There's no body filler in this. It comes right out of our welding department again, straight to powder coating, straight to assembly. There's no fillers, no paint touch-ups, nothing. So if you look at all those gaps we kind of touched about a few minutes ago, you can see how this thing reflects. I mean, it reflects about as straight as a mirror. And all the seams, all the gaps, everything are nice and tight. You know, just another thing that can speak to our quality. We had a customer yesterday, which you're going to find a testimonial coming from soon, but they bought our bodies in 2007 from us, a local crane company, a big name that you'll recognize. They've had those bodies for 13 years, and they phoned us yesterday and said, hey, we want to put those bodies on our new trucks. And they're like, you got to stop making them so good because those bodies are 13 years old. We use them every single day, and they're still awesome shape. So we'll have a great testimonial coming from them. But I think from what I hear in the service body industry, that's really unheard of. So we're proud of our team, we're proud of our guys. We're here to build a great, long-lasting aluminum product. We've done this for 25 years. We figure we've got over 10,000 bodies out in aluminum, and we're proud of our team. So thanks for that quick tour. Phone us anytime, we're here to help.